Hello and welcome back to another video of Med School Diaries. Oh, it's been a hot minute since I've said that, but I am 4 weeks into MD2 right now. We have our musculoskeletal exam in about a week and a half, so I thought what better time to bring you all along into the journey of me cramming for this exam. Woo! Do you still call it cramming when that's all you do because there's just so much content but so little time? Because usually that's a requirement for procrastinating with finals, for instance, but if that's your constant, do you still call it cramming? But anyways, on the agenda today is an anatomy lab at 2 p.m. and I'll be studying for that, but first I'll get matcha, have a bit of breakfast, sort myself out before we head to uni. So lately I've been really enjoying matcha with my mornings to save coffee for more dire situations where I really need a wake-up call. The tin is from T2, but I got this matcha from a friend, shout out Dennis. Imported from Japan, because when I went to Japan I didn't buy any matcha, but yeah, I don't know if you can see inside there. But yeah, so what I do is I get a scoop. I'm sorry, any matcha connoisseurs, please look away. This is just what works for me. Yeah, I don't even measure this one. I just kind of go by feel. Alright. I find that ziplocking my matcha helps it last a lot longer. I've yet to research whether storing it in plastic is okay, but it seems to be working for me. Tin. A bit of water. Next, I think it's like $1.50 milk frother whisk from IKEA. Super cheap, super convenient, and does the job. That's a tip, that's a little trick. Is it a tip? Trick? I don't know. That's what I do to shake the matcha off the whisk inside the cup. And not too many casualties today. Okay, so next up, a bit of ice in a very fitting cup. Usually I just do this over the fridge and let the matcha splash everywhere. Because I'm on video, I gotta be civilized today. Oops. Just ignore that. Ah! Okay. Again, wipe away the casualties. Oh, jeez. Okay, so ice, and then usually I would use soy milk, but we ran out, so regular cow's milk I have to do today. Gorgeous. Ta-da! Yeah, so this is what I've been basically having with my mornings. I find that matcha is a lot more of a slow release throughout the day, so I don't tend to crash. And I don't know, it makes my morning a little bit nicer. I'm not much of a morning person, so having this is definitely an incentive to get out of bed. Yes, I stepped outside to get this gorgeous shot. Okay, so I've been itching to change my iPad case for a while. I think she's been through it a little bit. I got the case when I got the iPad, I don't know how many years ago now, almost 4 or 5 years when I got the iPad as a hand-me-down from my brother. And so it's the Logitech Folio case, which has been really useful to have the keyboard, and what I really like is this slot that allows you to secure the Apple Pencil, because I do take my iPad into our wet cadaver labs, and yeah, there's lots of fluids and juices, and so it's nice to know that the pencil secure is not going to fall out of my hands or out of my iPad. And so it's been really good, really useful. However, lately I haven't really been using the keyboard function. It is really nice to have, and it also lights up. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so I wanted a bit of a change. Also, the iPad is so light without this keyboard, or should I say the keyboard adds so much weight to the iPad itself. It's great as an all-in-one, but because I have a laptop, I think it's time for a change. Okay, so first up, let's take this bad boy out. Oh, not too bad. All right, set him off to the side. All right, so I bought this case off of Amazon for like 20 bucks, I think. I think it will do the job. Hopefully it fits. It has a clear backing, and what I always try to get when it comes to my cases of my devices, if there is a clear backing, it has to be kind of this harder type of plastic that doesn't yellow as quickly. But yeah, I thought instead of getting a new iPad, I thought it'd be nice to just freshen up with a new case. All right, so let's unbox this. Unbag this. So what I also wanted to do is finally use some pretty stickers that I've hoarded for years since my Japan trip. So these are, what did I get? I got 2 food-based ones. I think very on brand for me. And I also got, I think this gemology one, sparkly rocks. It was also very pretty. I was thinking maybe we can give this a bit of a clean, apply some stickers on, and then we can see it through the case. So I use these glasses wipes for my glasses. Yes, good job, Nhi. I use these wipes for my glasses, and they do a stupendous job. So I thought it'd be worth to use them for these screens as well. I used to work at the Apple store in the city, and part of our job was also helping people put on screen protectors or cleaning the devices to get some new cases on and things like that. So every time I do this for myself now, it feels like I'm back at work. I don't know why I'm hesitating so much to use these pretty stickers, but putting them on the iPad, I can enjoy them, and then I can always buy more. You know, stickers come and go, and that's how we can enjoy them. Why am I putting so much meaning to stickers? Okay, let's start. All right. Butchered this. Don't look. Stickers lovers, don't look. Since last we spoke, I also have really gotten into Lego. So I have so many of these brick separators, but these are really useful for applying stickers. And because some Lego have sticker sets, I thought that would be good to use them for this. One down. I love it. Alrighty, that means cuter tech means I'm more prepared to study now, right? Right?
Got me falling for you. Sidestep, day trip, pulling me both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me for you, falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hard courtyard, dressed in white one day on a tight rope? My mind spinning. Please wait. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you? You said things were different. What made you change it up? How could I believe what you're showing me? Yeah. Call me up, said I was dangerous. Toss up, have you lost the trust? How could I not see you're not the man you used to be? Two steps, one back. Oh, you got it like that. Back four, set the score. What are we here for? Heart closed, tongue tied.
Oh yeah, I got a dog. This is Sizzle. Sizzle just came from daycare and is very calm and tired right now and has very yucky ears. I adopted him a bit more than a year ago now, and he's usually good. Does have a bit of separation anxiety, quite a bit actually, but improving a little bit each day. Camera shy today. And then the other dog that you saw is Scout, and this is my friend's dog. And they both go to the same daycare, so we do carpooling for pick up and drop off. Scout, you have a good day at daycare? Mm-hmm. Yes, very stoic. Alrighty, 2 quiet dogs in the car. Means we're ready to go home. Today I'm hoping to get quite a lot of study done, considering that I'm a bit behind on the lectures for the week and a little bit of last week. This week we've been covering a lot of the proximal lower limb, so compartments of the thigh, the hip, the knee, and because the westernized or anglicized version of my name is Nhi rather than Nhi, I keep thinking that I'm getting called on. So I guess you could say I'm a bit more tuned in or alert in this content. Not really. And next week we're moving on to distal lower limb, which I think completes the MSK block, which is insane. How we're already 4 weeks into the semester and I don't think main campus is even back yet. So we've started very early, but it's been nice to have such a relatively empty campus and parking's been a lot easier. So I should enjoy the peace while I can. In about half an hour, I also have a mask fitting at the podiatry clinic, and we require this for our placements this year. So definitely looking forward to the placements compared to a lot of the theory-heavy content. I've also heard from a few friends in the upper years that prac is a lot more chill. So I always welcome chillness in my life. I say that, but me on holidays, I plan like every minute of the day. Someone tell me why the podiatry building is so pretty.
Very fast.
What now? Oh my gosh! Does it need to be carried? You can let him figure it out. maybe go to the left, Sizzle. Oh, maybe he needs. Oh. Okay, maybe he needs help. Oh, you can do it. Good boy, Sizzle. What now? Which way? Oh, maybe he needs help, baby. Oh, wow. Oh, poor Sizzle. Not made for the outdoors. Oh no, I'll cross with you. Can you carry me like that?
Let's start this today. Yeah, because I think that's what's causing the Well, I mean, I would say it is a general, it is a developmental one, right? But I guess, like, how do you know?
Rotating your shoulder. It's about 45 degrees. And the other side. It's about the normal range of movement.
So I might have blinked and my few days off have turned into a week of not much study, but that's fine. We are about 3 days out until the MSK test. So silver lining, we have about 3 days to study and cram for this MSK test. Okay, I'm about 7 lectures behind, which honestly isn't too bad considering how I've gone in this degree so far. The goal is to catch up on these lectures, to do as many Anki revision cards as I can, and to also go through a practice/formative test that we have online. So that's just what I'll be doing a lot of for the next 3 days. I guess a side goal is to not go insane in the process. It's also a sweltering 40 degrees today, so you'll bet I'll just be at home in the AC as much as possible. Okay, all I want to do is take a nap, but I guess let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to move this mess over there where you can't see it on camera. Yep, that's me cleaning. Chris and I got these snacks in Taiwan. So delicious. My favorite was definitely the classic egg flavor and the tea flavor one. And Chris really likes the traditional black sesame one. Super yum. And some really delicious coconut rolls, coffee flavored. Some coconut flavored coffee rolls. I think we got these from Costco. Also really delicious. Not too sweet. Great snack. Nhi approved. Also, I never thought I'd be the type to own a secret lab chair, but I got this one secondhand from Chris because he bought himself a new one. And it's so comfortable compared to like the old office mesh chair that I had before. So yeah, I feel like an imposter gamer, imposter syndrome in med and at home. Fun.
Sizzle, come. Sizzle, come here. Come here. Sizzle, come here. Good boy. Not really. It took you way too long.
me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh. Tell me everything. You know I'm listening. Hours pass us by. Yeah, we could talk all night. Taking my time, messing my life, swear